Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to effectively study multiple subjects. First, begin by prioritizing your subjects. Consider their importance and your current grasp of the material. Next, allocate specific time blocks for each subject in your daily or weekly schedule. Remember, a flexible schedule is key, allowing you to adapt as your needs change. This structured approach helps ensure all areas receive adequate attention. Once your schedule is set, focus on smart study techniques. Active recall, like quizzing yourself, significantly boosts retention. Combine this with spaced repetition, reviewing material at increasing intervals to solidify your memory. Don't forget to break down complex topics into smaller, manageable parts. This makes learning less overwhelming and more effective, helping you tackle even the most challenging subjects with confidence. Maintaining balance is crucial when studying multiple subjects. Make sure to incorporate short, regular breaks into your study sessions to prevent burnout and maintain focus. Consistent review of previously learned material is also vital for long-term retention. Finally, never underestimate the power of good sleep and a healthy diet. These foundational elements are essential for optimal brain function and overall well-being. To truly excel, try to find connections between your different subjects. This can deepen your overall comprehension. Also, never hesitate to seek clarification from your teachers or peers when you encounter difficulties. Remember, learning is a collaborative process, and for those looking to enhance their financial wisdom, check the description for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other great deals. Happy studying!
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.